Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, let us just say tar fast in the entertainment side of things, right? Mamel, on Twitter, now known as X.com, Pop-Pops posts how it started versus how it's going. Happy anniversary to my beautiful wife. Thank you for standing by my side through it all. 15 years in the game, 2 years married. Here's to life together. Hey, Mamel, there are people who know your things, even though their real names are not on the screens. This person's name is Diet Coke. Ed Compa Q Low, something like that, right? Ati, why are you not mentioning that you cheated on her? Hey, Kaizini, like, yeah, like Pops is just saying happy anniversary, but why are you not mentioning that you cheated on her and dated someone else for a good few years in between? You're making it sound like you guys have been together for 15 years straight. Awa. So uDiet Coke wazi indaba zakaMpopops lezi thina singazazi. That's why simangele. And this post yakaMpopops was posted on the 18th of February and it has 2.9 million views. Right? It has 2,400 reposts, 334 quotes, and 34,000 likes. And I'm a bookmark I 938. But the comments, they chopped him poor right. Next year he won't say any anniversary. So Lord Piccolo at Lord Piccolo SA says 15 years. Kanti weren't you with that gorgeous model lady mid-COVID playing house? Okay now. So people are saying, nah, you were with this girl before Podcast and Chill. Then now I don't know. And that is Uncle Keys, right? Yo! And King says, she thought you funny, but look now, happy more years, so okay, we thank you for coming with a positive response. But people dragged the files. So they posted a picture of Pops and the ex-girlfriend. 2019, on the 25th of June 2019, where posted life with you just feels like one long never-ending date. Hashtag my forever date at the Golden Rose. Bona basikhiphile amafayile kuri bakhiphile amafayile basibonisa ukuthi no, you ain't gonna play us. You ain't gonna play us. Yo, like guys, there's no hiding from social media. Bless me. Excuse me. There's no hiding from social media. But nonetheless, happy anniversary to Pop-Pops and the mistress, and the wife, and the missus, behave, Disebo, and the missus. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.